Good morning, student. Today we shall read future perfect tense. Every perfect tense require third form of the verb. Means past participle, present past और past participle होते हैं. ये past participles means who we third. Means subject. Formation of this sentence will be subject shall have oblique will have plus we thirds means past participle and object. So it shows the completeness of an actions when subject is working and its function is completed. The work of subject is completed, then in the future, some time of future shows the completeness of an actions in certain time in the future. So it shows that this is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, subject shall have, will have, we third, past participle and object. Let's see. I shall have completed my work by tomorrow. I shall have completed my work by tomorrow. कल तक मैं अपना काम finished कर चुका हूँगा. Means action of my doing the work will be completed till tomorrow. I shall have revised my lesson. I shall have revised my lesson. मैं अपना लेसन जो क्या कर सकूँगा, revised by 9 AM tomorrow. कल 9 AM तक मैं अपना जो रिवीजन है वो I shall have revised. मैं रिवाइज the action of revision will be completed by tomorrow at 9 AM. It's 9 AM in the morning. It shows the completeness of an action. Shall will be used, shall have will be used with I and we generally, and rest of the pronoun required will have. The plane will have landed by the time we reach the airport. उस समय तक, जब तक हम एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचेंगे, by the time, उस समय तक the plane will have landed, उतर चुका होगा, वहाँ लैंड कर चुका होगा. जब तक, किस समय तक, जब तक हम वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचेंगे. We shall have taken our degree in 2 years. means 2 years. By the end of the 2 years we shall have taken degrees. our degrees, हम अपनी डिग्री ले चुके होंगे, प्राप्त कर चुके होंगे. कब तक? by the end of 2 years, within 2 years. तो हम 2 साल में अपनी जो डिग्री को लेने का काम फिनिश्ड कर चुके होंगे. by the end of this week, we shall have shifted to our new house. by the end of this week, इस सप्ताह के अंत तक, by the end of this week we shall have shifted to our new house. हम अपने नए घर में शिफ्ट हो चुके होंगे, एक घर से दूसरे में हम जा चुके होंगे, शिफ्ट हो चुके होंगे. अगर इसका हम आगे नेगेटिव बनाएं तो जो शैल होता है, शैल हैव, शैल और हैव के बीच में यहाँ पे नोट लगेगा यहाँ पे. तो आई शैल नॉट हैव कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क बाय टुमारो. आई शैल यहाँ पर भी हम नोट लगा देंगे. आई शैल नॉट हैव रिवाइज्ड माई लेसन बाय 9 AM टुमारो. यहाँ पर फिर देखो विल के बाद द प्लेन will not have landed by the time we reach the airport. नहीं पहुंच चुका होगा एयरपोर्ट पे, प्लेन नहीं पहुंच चुका होगा किस समय, जब हम वहाँ पे पहुंचेंगे. we shall have taken our degree. तो we shall यहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे not. shall और will के बीच में हमें not का यूज करना है. इंट्रोगेटिव हो तो shall सब्जेक्ट और past participle as it is. Let's see. Future perfect tense shows the action completeness of an action in certain time of futures. All the perfect tense requires third the sun will have set by then. तब तक सूर्यास्त हो चुका होगा. कब तक? उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक इन द फ्यूचर. नेगेटिव बनाए तो द सन will not have set by then. इंट्रोगेटिव बना, इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब आगे ले आएंगे. will the sun have set by then, साइन ऑफ इंट्रोगेशन. और इंट्रोगेटिव अगर नेगेटिव इसको कन्वर्ट करें तो will the sun not have set or by then, sign of. This is the way of transforming the sentence into for its respective way. It's affirmative, the sun will have set by then. Negative, the sun will not have set by then. Interrogative, will the sun have set by then. Interrogative negative, will the sun not have set by then. This is the method how to change affirmative into negative, negative into interrogative, interrogative into interrogative negative. So student, I hope you have got my point absolutely correctly and up to your level. I have told you examples. So I shall have returned from the school I shall have returned. I shall have returned from the school. मैं स्कूल से वापस आ चुका हूँगा. कब तक? आगे लगाया हम अगर टाइम फ्रेम करने, बाई दैट टाइम, उस समय तक, कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम, उस समय तक मैं अपने जो रिटर्निंग है टू होम फ्रॉम स्कूल, द एक्शन ऑफ कमिंग टू स्कूल बैक विल बी कंप्लीटेड. Before you go to her house, she will have left the place. Before you go to her house, उसके घर में आप जाओ, उससे पहले क्या करेगी? she will have left, वो जा चुकी होगी घर को छोड़कर. So there are many more examples of this tense, students. I hope you have understood this. If we have to use clause, time clause, simple present tense has to be used, and main clause, the main sentence, future perfect tense, that shows the completeness of an actions. And I have told you how to use helping verb, how to make affirmative sentence, how to make a negative sentence, how to make interrogative sentence, how to make interrogative negative sentence. I hope you have understood, and if any problems you can consult your teacher. May God bless you all. Have a great day.